Hi children, good morning. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome back to our EVS class. Shall we start EVS class? Okay, we have already completed our ninth lesson in the last class. I hope all of you completed the notes and studied well. Today we can start our new lesson 10. Very far, a little far. Go through the conversation between Venu and his grandpa. Textbook, page number 107 and 108. From this, on which topic did Venu and his grandpa discuss about? They discussed about the wedding invitation that had come by email sent through the computer. Okay, then why was the grandpa surprised? When grandpa heard about the email device which could send the wedding invitation from America within a minute. Okay, then what information did grandpa tell Verno regarding the various methods used in the past for communication? Once again, what information did grandpa tell Venu regarding the various methods used in the past for communication? The communication system in those days was not like what we have today. The communication system in those days was not like what we have today. In that days, trained pigeons were used to exchange messages. Trained pigeons were used to exchange messages. Okay, then what were the means of communication other than birds? What were the means of communication other than birds? Look at the pictures. How do the people in each picture exchange messages? How do the people in each picture exchange messages? First picture, Perumbara. It is used in the past for making royal proclamations. A small group of soldiers would be sent to different parts of the kingdom. After reaching a particular location, they would sound the Perumbara. On hearing that sound, the local people would gather there. Then one of the soldiers would read out the royal messages. Like that, they would go to the next village. Okay, then next, do then. During the reign of kings, they used to send Dudan for carrying message to the delivered to other king or commanders. Once again, during the reign of kings, they used to send Dudan for carrying messages to be delivered to other king or commanders. The messages were written on palm leaf, copper plate, or silk cloth. The messages were written on palm leaf, copper plate, or silk cloth. Students, is it clear? Okay, then next picture, Anjalotakaran. There were no paper during the period of Anjalotakaran. Letters were written on palm leaves. Letters were written on palm leaves. Okay. Then next, what are the methods for exchanging information? What are the methods for exchanging information? First of all, email, letter, SMS, telephone, WhatsApp, Facebook, fax. These are the methods for exchanging information. Once again, email, letter, SMS, telephone, WhatsApp, Facebook, fax. These are the methods for exchanging information. Then identify the picture and write their names. Identify the picture and write their names. First picture, computer. Then next, television. Then next picture, telegraph. Then next picture, telephone. Then next picture, newspaper. Then radio. Then mobile phone. Then fax. Then walkie talkie. Then once again, computer, television, telegraph, telephone, newspaper, radio, mobile phone, fax, walkie talkie. Then next, read the conversation between a mother and her son. Textbook page number 110. From this, you can understand what are the changes occur in the field of communication. What are the changes occur in the field of communication? Great changes occur in the field of communication. These changes make communication faster, less expensive, and more convenient. Once again, great changes occur in the field of communication. These changes make communication faster, less expensive, and more convenient. Then next topic, from sound to sight. Sound to sight. Rapid changes occur in the field of communication. Radio was the only source of mass communication till a few decades ago. What about today? Identify the changes in the field of communication and complete the table. Identify the changes in the field of communication and complete the table. Radio. Nowadays, television. Then letter, email. Then telephone, mobile phone. Students, is it clear? Okay, let's conclude today's topic. I hope you understood the topic and studied well. Thank you.